How to get 4K quality on your phone? Download Alight Motion, create project, follow my settings. Tap the plus button, then Media, add your video. In the plus button, add a square and fill the whole screen. Go to Blending and Opacity, Difference, then Subtract. Go to Effects and copy background. Gaussian blur and exposure gamma. Go back and swipe till the end. Add another square, but make this one white. Blending and Opacity. Contrast, then Overlay. Go to the first rounded rectangle. Effects, and in Exposure, Gamma adjust as I do. Gaussian blur, adjust as I do. That's it.